Hey, what's going on, everybody? Alright, this is going to be the Winter Storm Nemo update number 2. It's about 9 o'clock now. We're in the second stage of the storm right now. We are in the blizzard condition stage. And oh man, I don't even want to open the door to do this. Woo! It's cold and it's windy and you can barely see anything. I mean, just coming down like crazy. Whiteout conditions. I mean, we're in it. We're along for the ride now. There's nothing we can do. Let's see if we can get a pan around over here. Oh my goodness, my car. Alright. I'm going to keep you guys updated. So far so good, but it's only going to get worse throughout the night. So, look at that. That's crazy. Can't see a thing. This camera probably won't even do it justice. Alright. Stay safe, everybody, in the storm. And I'll keep you posted. Later, you two.